Hi, today I want to show you how add event to your calendar on your ACER A10. Our first step to do that is opening settings application, not settings, sorry, calendar application. In it, we must tap on day when we want to add our event. Maybe 20th of December, and there we must choose this plus icon and event. First step, add title of your event. There we can set it will be event, task or birthday event. In this part we can access this event about what is it, about our calendar, work, family, work or something like that. In this part we can set it will be all day event by switch on, or we can set in which time event starts and finish. You can also set repeat of your event if we need it. We can add people to our event, make video conference when event start, add location of that notification. You can add more than one and make custom notification. There we can set color about our notification to this event, description, attachment, and after you set all you need, you mustn't add everything, press save, and we have it. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye!